Hey guys, welcome to Learn Web API in 7 Days course. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the basic requirements that you need to have in order to use this course and learn Web API development. So here are the requirements. You need to have a Windows machine with Windows 10 installed on it. And then you will need Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio for creating API applications. You can install 2012, 2015 or 2017 version of Visual Studio. And then you need to have a Microsoft SQL Express also, SQL Server Express basically, because we will be using entity framework for doing CRUD operations. So we need to have a database, so SQL Server Express is good for that. And then we need to have IS Express or IS6 on that machine, because we will be using these web servers for API hosting. And then you need to have at least some amount of knowledge about ASP.NET, and you should be well versed with how to use Visual Studio. And it is good if you have some ASP.NET MVC development experience, because ASP.NET Web API is actually part of ASP.NET MVC only. It's kind of extended technology on ASP.NET MVC, and also a basic understanding of any RDBMS. Here we have mentioned SQL Server database. That will be required because we will be creating some tables. And then the last thing is none of these requirement is mandatory. You can still learn ASP.NET Web API development even if you don't know any of these technologies. But yeah, environment you need to have. So you need to have Windows 10, you need to have Visual Studio, Microsoft SQL Server Express or IS Express. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next lecture.